To remove your front caliper, take your 12mm socket. Lefty-loosey these both out of here. Some days they're just really difficult and they just don't want to. There we go. Whoop. Comes off just like that. That thing tight? Yeah. To get your pads off of here, you'll see like these outer ones are on these studs. You're gonna have to grab like the pad and push in with your thumbs. If you can't do it, you might have to use a screwdriver as leverage. But what you're doing is you're trying to get these two sliders there and there to slide back in, just like that. And then, well, then your inner pad comes out. So we're trying to compress this in right there. See that right there? And the pad should come off the outer end of it. Sometimes they're a little springy. See, the pad's got to pop off just like that. That slides on out of there. To reinstall your new pads, compress these pistons back in. You usually do it with your thumbs. You might have to do a C-clamp. Just remember, if you have added brake fluid before you replace the pads, you're going to want to take the cap off the reservoir because all the fluid that's in here is going to get pushed back up through the lines, back up to the reservoir. And it's going to shoot out the top, and brake fluid takes off paint. Nobody wants that. But you can take the pads, set them back in there. That little notch needs to sit there. That little notch needs to sit over there. Remember, friction material towards the rotor. Take your new pad, hook it on that side. Slide in here, push the stud back with your thumb. Yeah, and then the pad should slide up and over top just like that. Doo-doo. Then the inner pad falls out, and you might have to put it back in there. It's not really held in by a lot until you get it up onto the brake rotor. So we'll just slide that back in there again. Make sure it's back into that little notch, or it's not going to go. So you have this gap right here. That's where the rotor goes. So we're going to take this thing, we're going to turn around, and we're going to slide that gap right over top the rotor just like that. Then we're going to take the bolts, if you can get it to line up, we'll thread that thing in there. Get the bottom one in there. Remember, get all your bolts started in before you tighten them down. Otherwise, I guarantee one will not go in. And at your brakes, you need everything. Run them both in until they're tight. Torque both of them to spec. Now remember, your pads are retracted away from the rotor. So give your front brake lever a couple pulls and see the pad, the caliper move back and forth. That was it resetting. There you go. That's all I got. You're ready to go ride.